speeding, or they have really bad tires and they don't slow down. A lot of slush last night, so it just kind of felt like I was driving through soup. That was annoying. Kind of missed a pretty nice sunrise, but we couldn't really see. You could sort of see through the trees that there was pinks and oranges and stuff, but I don't think I would have been able to take a photo of it anyway. I know, right? It's true. Are you warm enough? You got a jacket, so you're good, right?
Yeah.
Alright. I'll turn the heat off in a minute. All of the snow and slush we're driving through. You might not hear it as much, like in a truck that's really tall, but in a car, you know, it's hitting the undercarriage and the floorboards and wheel wells and all that stuff. People have a giant rock in their yard. Oh look, these roads are pretty good. Might still see a little bit of a colorful sunrise over the lake. Actually, we're pretty much past the lake. Coming off Stepping Stone over there. Whoa.
This is the part that looks like glitter.
I know, right? I love it.
Yeah.
Power lines are sagging because they're so heavy. They're laden down with the snow. Look at that. Wow. Even 120, right? Even 125 is, all of this looks like a postcard or something.